about to install my Easy Home Security solar light from STKR. This has got this great solar panel on the front, floodlight on the bottom here, and all I gotta do is scroll in these little wing nut guys onto my gutter, and I'm gonna install it right on the front porch of my house right here. So all I gotta do to install is unscrew these little wing nut guys. Should be good. And then we gotta make sure that it is switched to on. So now I've got my unit turned on. I'm up here on my ladder. And I got my wing nuts unscrewed and ready to hook on. And then I'll screw it in place. All right, so then we screw our wing nuts in. Make sure it's nice and tight and flush with the inside wall of the gutter there. So I've got my wing nuts tightened there on either side. I got it right where I want it on my gutter. The most important thing is I got plenty of sunlight coming right down here, so it'll charge up. It should charge up in about 8 hours, it says. And then we'll see how it looks when it gets dark out. Wanted to give you another view of how it looks once it's installed. Super flush with my gutter. It's real inconspicuous. Looks nice. All right, so this light's been charging for a couple of hours now, and it is dusk. That is bright. Come out here so we can get the full effect. Hell yeah. My front of my house was so dark before, and this is so much better. People can actually see what they're doing when they walk up to my front steps now. Yay, love it. Thanks, STKR.